this is Rehana and I'm super excited for the episode 2 of the season Analysing Space, and the topic we're going to deal today is NASA Crew 2, which is the Crew Dragon. So once the video ends, we will fill thorough in NASA Crew 2, and I hope that all the instructions which I gave on the previous video was clearly fixed in your mind. If anyone did not watch the previous video, the link is there in the description box. Without any further delay, go and watch the first part of the season and come to the second part. So before we go into the video, there's an inspirational quote for you by Chris Hadfield. Desire in your heart of hearts what really excites and challenges you, and start moving your life in that direction. Which means that you do what you like. I think that this quote tells you that wise thing, and if it also means any other things, you can put it in the comment box, so I'll be pleased to read that. As I say you many times, but I don't think any actions coming over there. So next, so we're going to deal with the topic, and we are almost going to touch the topic. So first astronaut of the NASA Crew 2 is Shane Kimbrough, the commander, and Megan McArthur, the pilot, Aki Hoside, the mission specialist, and commander, Thomas Pesquet, the mission specialist. Over here, when I was also dealing this topic, when I was analyzing this topic a lot, I found that the most respect in the forming the order of the astronaut is given first to the commander, then the pilot, and then to the mission specialist. So when there is a NASA ISS crew, this is actually the ISS crew, it is the Crew Dragon. So when there is a NASA ISS crew, there must be one pilot and one commander, and the most respect in ordering the things is given to the commander, and the mission specialist comes after the pilot. So the pilot, after them the mission specialist comes. So first the commander, pilot, and the mission specialist come in that order while they are denting with writing the astronaut's name. So and also with the while setting the crew. So this is the current crew which is present in the ISS, and they're doing a lot of activities. And also I would like to share you interview by them. It's posted in another YouTube channel. It's called the Space Snack YouTube channel. I would like to recommend you all those videos posted in the Space Snack YouTube channel. It's not mine, but their YouTube channel is doing an amazing thing, so you can go and watch that Space Snack YouTube channel. I'll give the link in the description box. Now, to go to the ISS, of course, the rocket is needed, and the rocket used over here is the Falcon 9, which is done by the SpaceX, led by Elon Musk. And this Falcon 9 is a reusable rocket, and NASA has firstly accepted SpaceX to a reusable rocket. So when it's a reusable rocket, there must be someone who had used it, and it should be a successful rocket. It's a private rocket in which Doug and Bob went to the ISS, the demo Crew 2, and the astronauts are Doug and Bob. I hope that you got that. And they went to the Crew 2 and demo Crew 2. So another thing I would like to tell you is I hope that all these video was very informative for you, and I would like to tell you about the lift off, which is I didn't plan to tell you about that, but I feel that the video is too small and I want to give it to big video. So I'm gonna now give you a thing about lift off. So a lift off, what's lift off? It's because once you're in the field of an astronaut, and of course the two parts, you're going to experience the two parts. One is fear and another one is exciting, and that's actually a good feeling you have in your life, and you're going to experience those two parts, which is you're very lucky to get that. And also at the same time there is some ups and downs in that too. So another thing is yes, I'm going to describe about the lift off. So first when it comes to 30 seconds, the rocket is on. Yes, previously they're owning the rocket, and when it comes to 15 seconds, the countdown starts. And when it reaches to 1 second, after the 1 second, the liftoff comes and you're going up. After 8 minutes 40 seconds, you are weightless, which is I'm telling, like, the astronauts are weightless. You are weightless, the future astronauts, and you are the zero G, and you are alive. You are on the top of the earth. So this is some of the feelings which only most of the people won't get, and some people only get that. And those who watch my video, who become an astronaut, and also me, I'm very happy and proud for that. And thank you for everything, because I won't get that much views in my video, but I won't lost my hope. I would always tell that, and I hope that this video was very amazing and you got some informations. And the astronauts are Shane Kimbrough. You can see the pronunciation to get the actual pronunciation, and the spelling is there in the slide. Shane Kimbrough, Megan McArthur, Aki Hoside, Thomas Pesquet. So we don't make mistake in the pronunciation of the words, because that's the main respect we give to them. And I would like to tell that Megan McArthur is an oceanographer. She has been worked with the STS-125 shuttle mission to the Hubble Space Telescope, Atlantis. Hubble Space Telescope is a telescope which gives the picture of the space. And also there is Voyager 1, which was it has been 44 years of Voyager 1. It is after the Pluto. There is Voyager 1, who records all the observations of the space, what's happening in the Milky Way galaxies and all. So we are very lucky to be a citizen of this world, and we all are not only there in our place, we're not only there, the place where God given us, but we're also exploring other places, and I'm very proud for that, and I hope you all too. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and bye bye. Meet you later in the next video. Until then, bye.